Welcome to NUOMI Channel. Nowadays, the kitchen is no longer just a place for cooking, it's also the center of family life. A powerful tall cabinet can bring you more convenience and comfort. Whether it's storing ingredients or organizing kitchen utensils, tall cabinets can meet your various needs. This product is NUOMI Encanto series aircraft carrier cabin. It has a linked opening and closing structure, convenient for you to access from 3 sides. The max load is 75 kilograms. Each basket can bear up to 15 kilograms. The basket frame is made of high-quality aluminum alloy. The surface is coated in fluorocarbon spraying, ensuring corrosion and rust resistance. The basket can be adjusted by height, easier to store high bottles. The slides are German Hurmar synchronous damping slides, fully pull-out design, smooth and silent operation. The bottom is covered with anti-slip mat, preventing collision and noise during movement. This product has 2 colors, champagne gold and high-class gray. It's suitable for cabinet widths of 450 mm and 600 mm. The cabinet height should be larger than 1,780 mm for 5 layers, and the cabinet depth should be at least 500 mm for installation. The minimalist and luxurious design makes kitchen storage more convenient. If you want to learn more about NUOMI products, follow our channels below to make your home life more tasteful.